Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, make sure your device has a Wi-Fi adapter. Most laptops have one built in, but some desktop PCs don't. If your PC doesn't have one, you will need a USB Wi-Fi adapter. I will leave the link to my adapter in the description. It works perfectly. Now to connect to Wi-Fi, click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then click on Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, then click Show Available Networks. Find your network, click on it, and press Connect. If your network requires a password, enter it, and you should be connected. You can check the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right to confirm the connection. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Wi-Fi on your laptop or PC.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.